Hi guys, I'm Zonghan and welcome to ZaTaYaYummy. Today on ZaTaYaYummy, I'm gonna share with you guys how to make my strawberry rose cake lollies. These cake lollies are so sweet and decadent. We're sure to impress the person that you like. And before I start this video, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Alko Kitchenware, for sending us the starter baking pan for us to make this recipe. If you're interested about the non-stick pan, right, you can check out all their products on Lazada. The link is in the description box below. Anyway, to get things started, cream softened butter and custard sugar until light and fluffy. Cracking eggs and mix well. Then drizzle in strawberry paste and rose syrup. Stir in plain flour and mix until there is no visible of dry flour. Drizzle in milk . Lightly grease your starter cake lolly pans with some vegetable oil. Then pipe out your batter neatly into the mold.
Time was still and I was lost from sight for a while. The call is new to turn me loose.
Bake it in a preheated oven of 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Let it cool completely before coating. Trim off the dome of the cake lollies. Then put it in the freezer prior before dipping. Melt some strawberry chips or pink candy melts with some shortening if required to thin out the mixture for coating. Dip the cake lollies in the chocolate and lightly shake it out to smooth out the surface. Once you are done, you may cover any imperfections with some gold flakes. Then quickly drizzle over some melted white chocolate and decorate with some sprinkles of your choice. Sprinkle some gold dust for final finishing. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And if you do, remember to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me to keep this channel going. And also, follow me on my Facebook page and Instagram page at ZaTaYaYummy. If you want all the printable recipe, you can check out my website at www.thezonghan.com. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye!